Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we'll be unboxing something super special today. I've been waiting for a very long time for this. Alright, so please enjoy. Let's do this. So, if you're wondering, why is it like on the black wrap? Have you bought it on the dark web? Hell no, man. It's from Gold Coast on my holiday. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And it's a gel blaster. There we go. And what's my secret? Ta-da! I really like gel blasters, and I've been waiting for a while to have one. So I guess I could finally show you guys when I finally make my videos. So there we go. Yeah, my gel blaster. Ta-da! There we go. It's good. It's beautiful. The gel blaster that is legal enough it's legal for in Australia. So here it is. This is beautiful. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. I cannot wait. No way. It comes with 2? No, I don't think so. No, just only 1. Okay. Let's open this up. Holy moly! My parents got me my favorite color. No way! No way! Wow! I love this. This is beautiful. So here we have, I think this is the charger. This is the, I don't know what it is. This is obviously the gel gun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. These are the gel fight balls. These are the ammo. 1,000 pieces. Wow, that's a lot. Coming with another one with another 1,000 pieces. So 2. Why is there one leaking? It doesn't matter. Oh, bro, these are my safety glasses. Right there. This is the magazine to put inside here. I don't know. How do I do this? I think it goes like this. I'm gonna be figuring this out later on, but it is sick. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, this is cool. I wonder how you take it. So you see this? This is where you put your gel gun stuff in. And yeah, I'm gonna see how you take it off. Oh wait. Yeah, there we go. You have to pull this to take it off. Nope. Okay, well, it's stuck on here. I don't know how to take it off yet, but there we go. This is my gel blaster. This is the stuff. This is all my stuff. Instructions, stuff like that. Yeah, it's beautiful. Thank you guys so much. This is one of my most favorite things I've been waiting for. And yeah, enjoy the video. Bye, guys.